Hey friends, if you wish to fix the PDF preview not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the three main solutions and we will stick to these three solutions. First solution is to re-enable the show preview pane option. Open the file explorer, click on view, select show, and then you'll notice that we have preview pane here. Now I have preview pane here, but if you don't have the preview pane, then you can click on show and it will be in this list here. So make sure that you have enabled the preview pane. The second solution is to reset the file explorer settings to default. Click on these three dots here, select options, and then we have this option here to restore defaults. Click on this, click on apply, then on OK, and save the settings. The last solution is to restart the file explorer process. So search for task manager in the Windows search bar and open the task manager window. Wait for the list to load. You'll find the Windows Explorer process here. Right click on it and select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could improve further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.